Good morning everybody. In the last class, we have solved 5 problems of exercise 3D just by learning after the two identity. Today I am going to solve 5 more problems of exercise 3D. After solving these 5 problems, you will learn how to solve rest of the problems of exercise 3D. See here, the first problem, evaluate minus 12 cube, 7 cube plus 5 cube. Minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. You may write it a cube plus b cube plus c cube. See, we have just supposed this will be equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Therefore, a is equal to minus 12, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 5. And therefore, a plus b plus c minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. This will give 0. And we know that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3ab. Now we have to substitute the value of a, b, c. Therefore it will be minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. It will be equal to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. This will give 12 3 the 36, 5 the 180, 180, 7 the 1260. 1260. This will be the answer of this expression. You have followed the second identity what you have learned on the last day. Now we have to prove another problem, that is a plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube is equal to 3 into a plus b, b plus c and c plus a. You have to solve the second problem. First we have to take LHS. LHS. It is cube of a plus b plus c minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Left hand side expression will be taken at first. We have to suppose it is a plus b and c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Here we will take a plus b as a and c as b, and then it will be expanded by the formula x plus y whole cube. See here, it will give x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Like this. It will be cube of a plus b plus cube of c plus 3 into a plus b into c into a plus b plus c. At the place of x we place a plus b, and at the place of y we use c, and expand by using this expression. Now a plus b whole cube, we have to follow it. It will give a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is c cube. This is plus 3a plus b into c into a plus b plus c. Here we have to write a cube minus b cube minus c cube it is minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Now a cube, b cube, c cube. This is minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. All these will be cancelled. Plus minus 0. In plus it is a cube, in minus it is a cube. Both will be cancelled. Now we find 3a plus b. 3a plus b. 3a plus b. These are common in both of the rest two expressions. When we take 3 into a plus b as common, then we left with ab and plus c into a plus b plus c. This will give 3a plus b into ab plus ca plus cb plus ca square. 3 into a plus b, when we take a as common, we left with b plus c. In the two terms, when we take c as common, we left with b plus c. Now 3 into a plus b. We find b plus c is common in both of these two terms. Therefore, b plus c will be taken as common and we left with a plus c. We may write it c plus a also. And this will give the right hand side expression. In the left hand side, this one is given, and when we have continued to solve this, we have formed this factorized form, which is in the right hand side. 3 into a plus b, b plus c, c plus a, 3 into a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. And therefore we have proved left hand side is equal to right hand side. And this is the complete solution for the second problem. Now we come to solve the third problem. What is that? The third problem is, if we have three real numbers, we have three real numbers A, B and C, such that A plus B plus C is equal to 0. And in the next second identity we have learned, if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, therefore A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Now we come to prove the LHS. Therefore A square by BC, B square by CA plus C square by AB. On taking LCM of these denominators, BC, CA and AB, we find it is ABC. Here it is BC, there is no presence of A, therefore on dividing ABC by BC we get A. And A will be multiplied by A square, this will give A cube. In the same way we will find B cube and C cube. Just here A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC, and therefore we will write 3ABC, here ABC. ABC will be cancelled by ABC, we will left with 3. True? Now the fourth problem. Now we have to solve the fourth problem. What is that? In the fourth problem, we have A plus B plus C is equal to 9 and A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 35. Here A plus B plus C is equal to 9. Therefore, a square of A plus B plus C is equal to 9 square. And we have already learnt about this identity. It will give A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to 9 9 81. Here a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 35. Now we take 2 as common in these three terms. We left with ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 81. Which implies 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. This plus 35 will be taken on the right hand side and it will become minus 35. This will give 11 minus 5, 6 and 7 minus 3, 4. This will give AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 46 by 2, that is 23. Now we have to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. You already know a plus b plus c, a square b square c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now a plus b plus c is equal to 9. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to 35. When we take minus as common, we will have ab plus bc plus ca, and therefore minus ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 23. And 9 into 12, it will give 108. This is your answer. Next problem. In the fifth problem, we have a by b plus b by a is equal to minus 1. A by b plus b by a is equal to minus 1. Which will give, is LCM will be AB, a square plus b square is equal to minus 1. This will give a square plus b square is equal to ab into minus 1. This will give minus ab, which implies a square plus ab plus b a square is equal to 0. Now we have to find a cube minus b cube. This one is given. From this expression we have obtained this value. Now we have to find a cube minus b cube. Therefore a cube minus b cube, we know that a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b. The value of this expression a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 0. On multiplying this by 0, we get 0. And this is the answer. At first you have to solve all these problems what you have learned in your video class. After practicing them and getting at hand in these problems, you have to solve all the problems of this exercise, and you may also ask from those exercises which are already done in the last classes. You don't ask those questions which are not taught till today, which are those exercises which are not taught till today. Thank you.